solitaire. Well, ain't that a humdinger? Come on, Forrest, you gotta run.
As soon as we hook this up, all of Manhattan is gonna have free Wi-Fi.
Yes, and these barrels will help boost the signal. Careful, we need to modulate it properly or the won't get the signal. Guys, the hobnobbers are here. We got company.
Okay, we can forget Wi-Fi. He's not a bone. You already set this off?
That Wi-Fi was lame. Okay, let me leave this right here.
Make your preparations. I'm gonna go hobnobbing. I want a puppy.
You in there! We heard you wanted a puppy! I might have one for sale! Come on out with your wallet ready!
I'm going to charge it on my MasterCard. Let's make a deal. What do you mean my card would decline?
Oh, he wants to say hi to the fellas. Oh, say hello, buddy.
I want the puppy. What about you? Do you have my puppy? Give me my puppy. I want a puppy. Gracia, this is bullshit. My MasterCard is up to date. Let me try my Visa card. Perhaps that will work. What do you mean my Visa doesn't work either? I'm so sick of this. You motherfuckers got me all excited for Poppy. Last one to safety's a rotten egg. I want a Poppy. Come back again in a couple of weeks when I get my paycheck. And bring a Doberman Pinscher. Assholes. Wait, sir. There's gotta be something we could do today. I gotta make commission. There's gotta be a deal we can make today. Come back again in 2 weeks when I get my paycheck. Hurry, I gotta drop with you so bad. Me too. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Not gonna make it? God damn it. More bad news. No toilet paper.